Just leaving Stafford now, back to the original lines. Don't know if the diversion was because of the diversion. Oh, you probably didn't hear me that because I was still quite back. We are now leaving Stafford and on our way back to Birmingham New Street, where I will be getting off and catching the train back to Worcester. And also, if you don't know why the diversion is on, this is because there is engineering works between Stafford and Crewe and Stafford. Then it's all the engineering works due to Norton Bridge. So yeah. That's what our school's going to look like. That's porta cabins underneath. Yeah, that's what they're going to do to our school. I'm sure it is.
Ladies and gents, welcome everyone that joined us at Stafford. Cross-country service to Bournemouth today. Your next station start will be Birmingham New Street, due there in around about half an hour's time.
You might just run up the stairs. Surely get your off done.
What's that?
You're due in about half an hour, Birmingham.
I'm running up to that. Running up to W.A. Smith's, I am.
Don't forget you have to wait 10 minutes for the clock, don't you? Birmingham buses. Flood. It must have some rain there.
Yeah, I do the same. Yeah, there's only one else. There was, yeah.
Oh, that.
Would you?